Are link bait articles for local service businesses like pressure washing even possible? I understand the concept for niches such as business, SEO, etc. Um, yeah, so I'm not like a link bait pro. Let's see if I can think of one. 'Cause I don't really do this very often, but let's see if I can think of one like right now. So okay, so pressure washing. Actually, you know what we're gonna do is because AI is a lot smarter than me. We're gonna ask ChatGPT for some help live and see what we can get. I'm gonna copy and paste your question real quick. Let's go over here. So let's say create link bait article ideas for local service businesses like pressure for pressure washing. 20 ideas. Don't explain each one. See if 20 link. 10 shocking before and after photos of pressure washing transformations. So this is I feel like this is actually good link bait because people like pressure washing for some reason. Like on Reddit and stuff, they even have that one they have that subreddit. I know that's where like there's just yeah, anyway, it's like oddly satisfying /r/oddly satisfying or whatever. This one, number 2, is not good. No, let's redo the prompt a little bit. We're going to say create link bait article ideas for pressure washing should also be relevant to Houston, be based on stats or facts. Because yeah, it's really good to use like stats or facts. Okay, so here's some like a little bit better ideas. Okay, I actually like some of these. All right, so number 1, why 80% of Houston homeowners are pressure washing annually. Houston rainfall statistics and the case for regular pressure washing. Okay, so like, you know, stuff like this. So you're getting in like your location relevance. It's things that will be highly linkable from Houston or Texas based news websites, right? So you're really like drilling in this like really like local relevance. So I actually really like some of these ideas. How pressure washing can help Houston homes resist flood damage. Again, another good one, right? Because yeah, Houston's like always flooding. The connection between Houston's pollution levels and pressure washing needs. I feel like all of these are actually really good. You could do like link bait articles for every single one of these, and then do outreach or whatever. You know, reach out to journalists just like you would for a PR campaign. I'll go ahead and pop this prompt in the chat for you. What do you guys think about that prompt? But anyway, hopefully that helps. And I would say, yeah, it's possible just based on that. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.